In this topic, we'll be talking about navigating document in Adobe Illustrator. So navigating document in Illustrator means to move around your document, or it can be zoom in and zoom out, or it can be about turning on the panels and the way you position it, and about the overall workspace of the Illustrator, so that you can work more conveniently, easily, and efficiently while you're working or creating a artwork. So in this topic, we'll be covering navigating a single document, working with panels, and then you can create your own workspace, and also saving your own workspace. So let's see the first one, that is navigating a single document. So first of all, what you need to know about navigating a single document is how you can move your document left and right. You can press Ctrl in your keyboard and scroll your mouse so that you can move left and right. And to move up and down your document, you can just scroll the mouse. So there are various ways that you can zoom in or zoom out your document. The first method is to use your Alt key in your keyboard, and along with your Alt key, you can use the scroll mouse so that you can zoom in or zoom out. The part which you point with your mouse pointer will be the focus point. Suppose if I point on this part of my document, only that part will be zoomed in. You can also zoom in or zoom out portions of your document by using the tools. Using the zoom tool, select the area which you want to zoom in. Now to zoom out that part, you can press Alt key and use the same method to zoom out. Another way to zoom in or zoom out your document is to use keyboard shortcut. It is to press Ctrl plus to zoom in and Ctrl minus to zoom out. So that is the shortcut key to zoom in and zoom out your document. Now sometimes when you're working in a large document, you want to navigate around the different portions of your document. So to navigate around the document means to zoom in and to check around the portions of your document. So to do that, you can go to Window and turn on Navigator. So after turning on the navigator, as you can see, you have the option to zoom in up to 64,000%. And for zoom in and zoom out, there are two icons here. So this is for zoom in and this is for zoom out. So after you zoom in any part of your document, there is an indicator box which is in red line, which can be moved around so that you can check around your document portion by portion. And in that way, you can see the zoomed part of your documents. So for now, we'll keep it 50%. So that is how you can navigate around in a single document. Now let's go to the next one, that is working with panels. So depending on different artworks, you can turn on different panels from the window. So all these are the panels that you want to turn on. Let's say I want to turn on attributes. Also, I want to turn on paths. Also, I want to turn on pathfinder. And moreover, I want to turn on navigator. So all these panels has been turned on. Now, as you can see in my workspace, the toolbar is attached and fixed to the left side. Now, in order to undock that, by clicking on this portion of the panel, and you can drag it out. And you can also move it around from left to right side or to the left side. And if you want to keep it fixed to the left side again, you can move a bit further to the left. Once that blue line comes out, you can drag that panel inside that so that it gets attached to the left side. Similar to this portion also, you can undock this portion and keep it wherever you want it to be. And in order to keep it fixed to the right side again, you can follow the same procedure as you have done with the toolbar. So for that, you can drag it to the rightmost of your screen and keep it attached. So keeping the panels fixed to the right side or to the left side, you can also apply it to all these panels. So you can click on any of these panels and you can attach it to the right side. Just like that. But as you can see, our workspace has become smaller. So in order to avoid that, we usually keep it unfixed. And suppose this is the workspace that you are comfortable with. And if you want to use the same workspace for similar kind of editing, then you can save this workspace by going to this area And as you can see, there is an option for new workspace, so you can click on that and then save it as any name. So for now I'm going to save it as my workspace and click OK. So this is my workspace. Now if you want to go back to the essentials of the default one, that is the Adobe Illustrator default essentials, you can click on the same area and select reset essentials. So as you can see, this is the default workspace of Adobe Illustrator. So that is how you can navigate around the document by changing the workspace or saving the workspace.